Do you want to improve your sales skills, whether it's inbound calls that you're fielding or outbound calls where you're trying to close a sale? I created a Vapi agent with N8N that will test your team's sales skills over the phone and provide a score and feedback to them. So here we are, we're in this landing page that I built for the application. We're just gonna log in here and it's gonna take us to our dashboard. So our dashboard has two options for us. It has the outbound training and inbound training. So we're gonna start with outbound training. And so what this outbound training is gonna do is it's going to have a separate AI agent that's gonna teach you with outbound training. So let's try it out and see what happens.
Hello?
Hey, I'm trying to sell you N8N workflows for your real estate company.
I'm sorry, what? That doesn't sound very clear. Can you explain briefly what you're offering?
Yeah, so I'm trying to sell you automations for your company to save you time and help you get more leads.
Okay, we already use a solution for that. So I'm not sure we need anything else right now.
Well, we can give you a comparison to our solution and show you where ours is better, and also give you a workshop and show and actually walk you through the product.
I appreciate that, but we're not actively looking to switch right now. I'd need a compelling reason to even consider it. You'd have to show how your solution.
So there you go. So you see an example of how the conversation works. And actually what's happening is this is going to N8N in the background. And this is going to be processing our conversation. We're using Vapi, a Vapi voice agent, to have the conversation with us. And we're going to go to our executions. And we can see this just happened, this execution. And it saved it and it created a row in Supabase. So you can see overall, discovery, recall, these are out of 10, and feedback, right? And improvements, call summary. And this can all be sent back to the application. And so what's happening here is we're creating a whole pipeline that is using AI to evaluate the sales development representatives talking. And as you can see, it's very realistic. So you can feel like you're really getting practice, making progress, and you can even gamify it so that when you do get into conversations with the client, you're completely ready. So now let's try inbound and see how that works. Just refresh here.
Hi, thanks for calling. I'm looking for a solution to automate some of our real estate workflows. Can you tell me what N8N does and how it might help us?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much for taking the call. N8N is
No problem.
It's a very good tool for automating your workflows, and even you can use agents to improve your output for clients.
Okay, so N8N is about workflow automation, but can you explain how it works? Is it something I have to program or like set up manually? I'm not a technical person, so I'm wondering if it's too complicated.
No problem at all. We will set it up completely for you. It's very clear. It has a visual editor, so you can actually see how the flow is happening, but you never have to touch the code. We can do that for you.
Okay, that sounds helpful. Specifically for real estate, can I use N8N for managing leads, like tracking new client inquiries and following up with them?
Absolutely. Managing leads, you can set up an agent that will book calls with you if a client wants to book over the phone, answer questions, any of that.
That sounds pretty useful.
Okay, so that's that, and we can actually go back to our N8N workflow. We're going to go to the inbound SDR, and we're going to go to executions, and we can see it's just running right now, and it's going to go through the whole pipeline here, and it's going to create a row in Supabase, and all of that is being stored in our Supabase database, and you could use this to evaluate metrics. This is not the right Supabase, but you can evaluate metrics, you can compare. If you're interested in this tool at all, and you want to see how it's built, just send me a comment or send me a message on LinkedIn, and I will send you the whole workflow, and perhaps we can even set up a call and I can show you how I built it. But yeah, very, very powerful tools. I'll also show Vapi as well. So Vapi is this AI agent where you can kind of create that conversational assistant that I was showing you earlier and then connect it through N8N. So just those three tools, Vercel, V0, Vapi for the voice agent, and N8N for the evaluation, and then obviously Supabase for the database. And then you have a really powerful way to teach sales development representatives early on, so when they get in front of clients, they're super prepared. So hope you found value in this, and have a great day.